let's go ahead and unbox this brand new fan. Really excited to try this one out. Our bedroom doesn't have an overhead fan in it, so it's been getting really hot. So I'm buying this to help with the heat at nighttime when we sleep. All right, so gotta open up. The first thing I'm noticing is we got a quick start guide here to help you assemble the fan. And then you have the user manual. So these are right on top, which is really nice. I don't have to dig and take everything out to find them. I love that. Thank you. And then we just gotta go ahead and unbox. So it has the styrofoam here to keep everything in place. And then, okay, it looks like a piece of the base here. And then here's the main part of the fan. Stuff is in a big sheet of plastic. So, let's see, I just gotta tie a knot up here. I just gotta untie this plastic. Get it on out. There we go, yeah, looking really nice. Excited. And the same thing with cords and plastic too, which I'll untie in a moment. And then we've got the other half of the base. And then all that's left in here is just these styrofoam pieces. So very simple packaging. It looks very easy to put together. I'll use my quick start guide and manual to assemble.